Hi, Steve Clone here with Condo Villaplana. I want to talk to you today about the condo process. So I encourage you to look at some of my videos on my site, including from offer to close. That's going to fill in some of the gaps here. But some unique things with the condo I wanted to inform you guys about when you're going to purchase a condo. One, you should typically, if you're an agent and you're going to prepare a memo, there's a few things that are in the condo contract that are unique and it'll slow up the process. So make sure you know the percentage of common elements. And what is that? Well, every condo is going to have its own unit, and then there's going to be common charges. What are the common charges for? Well, they're for common elements. So if you have your own unit, but let's say you have a pool, that pool is going to be maintained by the common charges, and you're responsible pursuant to your common elements. So we need that in a contract. In addition, you want to put the tax information as in the memo, and you're going to want to put in the name of the condo management and the name of the condo itself. That's for listing agents. For purchasers and buying the condo, the main thing that is unique, every condo has what's called a first right of refusal. That means, believe it or not, if you're buying it for $300,000, that condo can say, I want to buy it for $300,000. And yes, you'd get your money back and it'd be canceled, and I've never seen it happen, but it could. Let's say everyone said, you know what, we need a movie theater in this development. The next person that sells, we are gonna, make that a condo into a movie theater. So the reason why I mention that, because one, you want to know what that is, and secondly, in order for us to close, we're going to need a common charge letter from the condo to make sure that the seller's common charges are paid. Secondly, we're going to need the waiver of the first right of refusal. What most buyers forget, and some agents that are not necessarily the most experienced will forget to let their client know about, that client and seller typically have to apply to the condo. Now, it's not a board approval, though very rare. I've had condos that require board approval. It is a application to the board, so that the condo board, or the management agent, so that they know who's moving in. They can assign the right parking space. They can give you your tags. But most importantly, we cannot close if we don't have the common charge letter and the waiver of the first right to refuse. Hope that helps demystify some of the unique things in a condo. Please give me a call if you have any other questions on the condo process or having questions at all about real estate. Thank you much. Hope you're enjoying the videos that you've watched today. They're not meant to be a substitution for speaking with your legal professional, but just an educational tool. Thank you.